Hi everyone, first Tuesday of the month and also the last RBA meeting before the election, which we're all looking forward to. And the RBA have decided that on balance, and it is on balance this time, that they're not going to reduce the rate. And they're making it very clear that it's a wait and see approach. They're keeping a particular eye on the unemployment numbers, and it'll be unemployment that drives their decision making on whether they reduce rates. And thankfully they didn't reduce rates this time for two reasons. One, it's the RBA saying, the economy's doing well enough and it doesn't warrant reducing the rate, and we all should welcome that. And secondly, thankfully, it doesn't become a political football, which we know it would be if there'd been a rate cut, because we know what Labour would be saying within minutes of the RBA release. So no change. Now, saying that, we've seen a lot of movement on interest rates charged by the lenders, and particularly in fixed rates. We've seen 2-year rates as low as 3.6, 3.65%, 3-year rates at 3.7%, and even you can fix your loan for 5 years at just under 4% at the moment, and that all sounds good. But the reason the rates are so low, and they're as low as I can remember them, is because the banks are basically saying we don't think rates are going anywhere either. So if you're fixing, you're not fixing because you think you'll beat the bank, you're fixing because you just want that certainty of locking in today's low rate, knowing that the variable rate may reduce, and by fixing you won't see the benefit of that, but at least you've got the certainty. We're also seeing more activity with regards to potential new purchasers. So clearly the market's beginning to see some value in the market, and looking at now buying, and that message will feed through to the vendors, and they'll see that there's more buyers in the market, and they'll encourage them to put the properties on the market, and we begin to see some movement again happening in the market, where there's just frankly not been much in the last 6 months or so. Obviously the election has an impact in terms of stalling the number of house sales. People are sort of sitting on their hands to see the outcome. And given that most people think Labour are going to win, I think the sitting on the hands may actually extend a little bit longer than we'd normally see. Otherwise, have a great May, enjoy the election, and here if you need me. Okay.